On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make up a joint on a BSP screwed fitting. So what we have a male thread here, which is a 1/2 inch BSP male thread, which I'm going to make up into this 1/2 inch BSP female thread. It's quite straightforward. The first thing you need to do is apply some PTFE tape to the male joint, and you apply it in a clockwise direction, and it's a bit like applying a bandage. You wrap the tape round the thread, and normally put quite a bit on, to sort of 10 turns round with the PTFE is normally sufficient. And then I'll just use my nail to make the thread a little bit more distinctive. But what you can see is that the tape now is going to form a lubricant and a jointing compound between the male thread and the female thread on the fitting. So to make the joint up, you simply put the male thread into the female and then tighten it up. And you tighten those up in real life situations. You tighten them up until you can't turn it anymore. Okay, and that now has formed a joint between the female and the male fitting on a BSP threaded screwed joint. Okay, I hope that's been some information to you, and that ends today's tutorial on how to make up a screwed joint on a BSP fitting.